Brain cancer. Introduction. Are all tumors cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. Only malignant tumors which invade other tissues are cancerous. Benign tumors are not cancerous. Is it always possible to determine the cause of cancer in a patient? Select yes or no. Correct. It is usually impossible to specify the causes of cancer in an individual patient. However, we do know what can cause cancer in general. Is brain cancer always treated with open surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. There are two main types of surgery commonly used on brain tumors, open and stereotactic. If the tumor is accessible and the patient is in good health, an open operation is done to take as much of the tumor as possible. Thank you for using Explain.